What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I know it's been a while. I apologize for that. However, duck season is over with, unfortunately, but I want y'all to take a look at something. Look at that. I had a horrible duck season, you guys, but this is where all the ducks are at, right here. Anyway, enough about hunting, enough about ducks. It is about that time. You guys already know where I'm at. If you watched my channel in the past, then you guys know what's about to go down. And it is sac-a-lait season, all right? AKA crappie for you guys that's not from Louisiana. I notice a lot of you guys are fishing from the bank, so this video goes out to you guys. I'm going to give you guys some tips, some tricks, strategies, information about conditions and everything, you know, how to catch them off the bank. You know, I'm going to be showing you guys and telling you guys how to find, you know, locate more crappie, and how to catch them, what to use or whatever like that. So the first thing I want to talk about is the time of year. All right, the time of year, or I should say season, is the most crucial part of catching crappie. Summer, fall, winter, spring. All right, you have to figure out how to catch them, where they are, strategies, all that kind of stuff during each season. All right, so let me tell you guys, for me, the easiest season to catch them, and it's now. All right, it is still technically winter, but it's 80 degrees outside. It's basically spring here in Louisiana. So with the temperatures rising, the water temperatures are rising, these fish are about to go into spawning mode. All right, well, I say about, they already have. All right, with that being said, when sac-a-lait do spawn, they come up shallow. You got some that'll lay in 1 to 2 feet of water. You got some that'll lay in about 4 to 5 feet of water, maybe even deeper. You know what I'm saying? Just depending on the size of the lake, the depth, you know, all that kind of stuff. If you're a bank fisherman, that is actually probably a huge advantage for you guys, because you don't have to have a boat, a kayak or whatever. You don't have to get in the water. You can literally go to any pond, lake or whatever like that. Focus on the bank. All right, me personally, depending on the pond, I look for either structure, twigs, sticks, branches, you know, that didn't fell in the water within 3 to 4 feet of water, maybe even less than that. Cypress knees, sometimes you have trees that have like little cypress knees on the edge of the banks. Those are perfect. It is currently 4:30, almost 5 o'clock. This is the best time to catch sac-a-lait. In the mornings, in the evening times, it's ridiculous, man. You'll go from not having any bites to in literally the same spot to they just tearing it up, you know. And people that already catch sac-a-lait already know what I'm talking about. That works in ponds, lakes, reservoirs, bayous, rivers, all that kind of stuff. That's just how sac-a-lait function. They're different from any other fish, to me personally. So with that being said, that's why we're here, and only have maybe an hour and a half of daylight for the most part. So we're gonna try to catch a few fish. This was more of a video, just kind of throwing out some tips and stuff. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. We're definitely gonna try to catch a few fish today. I waited till the end of the day to try to catch some fish because this is the best time to catch fish, you know. As far as bait, tackle, all that kind of stuff, I don't really use anything too fancy. A lot of people like to go and use all kind of stuff, beetle spins, crazy looking jigs and all that kind of stuff, which is okay. Honestly, during the spawn, they don't care. It can be any color, any shape, any size. These fish are, for the most part, especially the females, laying their eggs. They're going to be on the bank. They're going to be fairly easy to catch. Males are, for the most part, guarding the eggs, so even if they're not hungry, they're still going to bite, snap at whatever's in that area, and they're going to be on the bank. All right, so either way is going to work. All right, but today we're going to be using Bobby Garland minnows. I don't try to fix anything that isn't broken. So we're gonna go with the pearl white minnow. See if we can catch a few fish today. I'm not gonna keep anything. I'm just gonna do catch and release. I know it's crazy, a guy like me throwing back sac-a-lait. That's unheard of, but today that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna save the catch and cook or the catch and keep for another video. So this video goes out to all you pond hoppers, whether it be in Louisiana or in another state. You know, some of the northern states haven't really got their spring spawning time yet for sac-a-lait. They're still cold up there, but Louisiana is more of a warmer state. So with that being said, I talked a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed the info. You guys know I catch a lot of sac-a-lait, so I don't lie. What I tell you, I go based off my experience. If you guys have any other information that y'all want to share with me, please drop it down in the comments below. I would like to hear y'all's feedbacks on how y'all catch fish, what y'all think about the spawning season, you know, in places y'all fish, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna just catch a few fish, you know, probably a handful of fish if we catch anything. We should. We'll see what we can do. Alright, you guys, before we start actually fishing, I do want to go over one thing. I want to go over my setup today. So this is a new product that I'll be using. Never before have I used it, but I am absolutely in love with it. This is a rod by a company called Zook Rods. I don't know if you guys ever heard of that, but it is a light action 7-foot rod. You know, I don't really mess with anything under 7 foot, and it is perfect. And when I tell you, it is perfect for sac-a-lait fishing. And I just got like a little speed reel rod on there, and I mean, I've had really good positive results with this rod. It's real durable. I have my other Bass Pro rod in the back of the truck, which ever since I got this rod, I have not even touched it, because this one is just, it's a game changer. So I really like the design. Like I said, it's real light, real flimsy, light, sensitive tips. So if you guys ever want to check out Zook rods, let me know. I'll probably leave a link in the description below. I did come out here yesterday, caught a few fish, and I mean, I caught some slabs, some really nice ones, and I mean, this rod took it like a champ. I mean, I flipped them up and everything, so I'm really impressed with the results of this rod. Let's see if we can catch some fish today. So right here we're looking at about maybe 1.5 foot, probably 2 feet of water right here, right off the bank, at least where I'm gonna toss it at. And you want to have that halfway distance. You don't want to have it too low, you don't want to have it too high. Good God. You kind of want to have it, you want to throw kind of like right in between these little twigs, all right? Whatever you can do to not really get stuck on them, but you want to have it somewhere in that area, all right? So that's what we're going to do today. We're just going to use the cork. Now, put it like this, you guys. If the cork does not work for any reason, oh shoot, can y'all see that? Hold on. First y'all can see the cork. So if the cork doesn't work for any reason, you can always take it off in tight line, because sometimes they might be a little lower than what you expect. Now I will say, you guys, it is still kind of early. I don't catch them like crazy. I'm only catching a handful at a time, but normally around this time I'll be catching them literally back to back. I mean, it's like clockwork. Another tip I want to let you guys know too is if the sun is behind you, you might want to fish facing the sun. The only reason I say this is because if you approach a pond and the sun is behind you, of course your shadow is gonna beam into the water, like right here, okay? And believe it or not, those sac-a-lait can see that. So if they see a shadow over that sun, they're gonna be a little weary for the most part. So and right now the sun is behind me, so it's probably why I'm having trouble getting bites. Ooh, here it is. Whoa, as soon as I threw it in there, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, look at the woody. Alright, you guys, as soon as I threw it in there, no cork needed. It's not a giant one, but it has a pretty white sac-a-lait right there. Probably ain't gonna catch too many today, probably because I came here yesterday and slayed them. So this is just for you guys. Just catch a few right here. I'm gonna throw him back on the other side because I feel like if I throw him back in the same spot, I won't catch another one right there. Yeah, it's first sac-a-lait, so hopefully have a few more biting. It's a real pretty guy. Oh, there it is. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh no! Oh, that was a good one, y'all. That was a male. He was dark too. Golly. Definitely weary today. Ooh, accept that one. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Look at the band in that rod. It's real, very durable, you guys. I mean, I just flipped this big sac-a-lait right here. This is a slab right here, you guys. Look at that. No net needed. And that is a big slab, and I just flipped them out the water with this Zook fishing rod. It's very durable, you guys. Don't forget to check them out, man. I absolutely love this rod. This fish is amazing right here, man. Look at that. Beautiful fish. It's like I'm shaking to like really throw his ass back, but it's okay though. It's all right. You'll be here later. I remember you because you got a little. You guys can see they got a little indentation right there. Remember that. Y'all remember that. I'm gonna put Lala back over here because I don't want to disturb any other Another sack. Man, that is a good fish. Oh, thumped the heck out of it right there on the side. There it is. Oh, it's a good one too. Ah, okay, something wrong with the hook, cause like I'm like, what's going on? The drag is not too loose. Oh, there it is. There it is. Yes. Yes. Yeah, buddy, I'm talking about. Still not a slab daddy, but still a good one. Would be a keeper if I was keeping them. I'm not keeping them. There it is. There it is. Right at the bank. Another good fish. Ooh, got worried for a second. Got worried for a second, but there's another good one right there, you guys. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Good fish. Ooh, snap, that is a fish. Hey, let's go, let's go. I have no worries about this rod ever snapping. No matter the size accolade, cause you can handle it. It's a slab getter right here, brother. It's also a pretty good fish. Might be a male, look like it's a little dark. Beautiful fish. I mean, dude, the sun is nowhere to be found. It's setting fast too, so. Oh, there it is. There's one. It's a small one though. Itty bitty guy. Itty bitty guy. Oops, my bad. There it is. Ooh, dude, it's dark and they're still biting right here. Hold on, I gotta hurry up and get him off. It's game time. I mean, my minnow is all messed up, but I don't want to change it because it already got the fish residue on there, so I think that's actually attracting them too. All right, you guys, as you can see, it's basically almost dark. I think it's just about 6 o'clock, maybe a little bit after 6. And the mosquitoes are tearing my ass up, so call it. I was still actually catching a few, but mosquitoes kind of ran me off. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys real soon. Thank you guys for watching.